Welcome guys. Today we will learn a fast way to create jet thruster effect from scratch in Blender and Unreal Engine. First add a cylinder. Delete the top faces. Rotate by 180. And move the bottom vertices down in the UV editor. Scale the bottom loop, shade smooth, then export it as an FBX and name it thruster. Add a new plane and slice it with Ctrl-R 50 times. In the Select menu, press Select Random and deselect the bottom vertices. Press O to enable proportional editing, scale on the Y-axis and play with the mouse wheel. Place a camera with 0 values and move it up on the Z-axis. Set the camera to orthographic with a 1.8 scale. In the right panel, change the render engine to Eevee and the output resolution to 1K. Switch to Shading tab to add a new material. This camera view will be our alpha texture. So let's make a gradient and a color ramp, then plug them onto the color and the emissive. Now you can play a little with the colors, but our gradient uses the wrong axis, so get the texture mapping with Ctrl-T. Rotate on the Z-axis by 90 degrees and change its X location to match the camera view. Switch to compositing and add a blur node. Set up the blur. Then plug a saturation node next to it. Press F12. Find a nice color, render again, save the image as a PNG, and name it FX. Open a blank project in Unreal Engine with starter content. Make a new folder. Drag and drop the files and create a new material. Drop the texture to the material and dock its layout in the main window. Duplicate the texture sample node, and change it to the fire texture that is in the starter content. Press 1, when click 2 times to get 2 floats. Convert the bottom one to a parameter and name it, speed. Press 3, when click to add a color. Then convert it to a parameter as well and set its color to white. Search for a Make Float 2 node and plug it to the speed input of the panner, then the panner to the fire. Multiply it by 0.07 and search for a texture coordinates node. Add these two and plug it to the FX texture. Create a particle color and 3 multiply nodes. Then plug the color to the first multiply. The particle color and the FX texture to the second multiply. And the particle color's alpha channel, with the FX texture's alpha channel, to the third multiply. Set the material's blend mode to translucent. Make it two-sided and plug the first multiply to emissive, the third multiply to opacity. Set the speed value to 1 and save it. Create a material instance and assign it to the thruster mesh. Now the system is ready, you can customize it. That's it guys, we hope the video was useful. Thank you for being here. See you next time.